Alright, so we're using this mic tonight because I think the other mic be messing up. I think it's meant for high winds, and I'd be using it not for high winds. Um, and it kind of sounds choppy. There was a way I got it to hook the other night. Oh no, I was just trying to fix my stuff, so I'll just do it. We're gonna get in and hit shoulder day. I got a new phone, so hopefully it stays charged. It's the iPhone 17. I guess that really does nothing. Yeah, but we're gonna get in and hit shoulders today. And then tonight was different. I had to take my brother to work after the gym, so it's gonna be a late night. And then I had to wake up early morning and head up to Newport, which is like 2.5 hours away from where I am, and work all day, and then drive back, and then do that Friday. So we're gonna get in, pump shoulders. I'm not gonna hit the treadmill because, like I said, I'm gonna be walking a lot in Yosemite. I mean, I guess I shouldn't be making excuses, but I want to be able to hike some stuff up there and do a bunch of stuff over there. So yeah, enough said. Let's get up in the gym and start working it. All right, we're back at it. I'm gonna set it up and then hit probably warm up and then throw 45s on there. It's perfect. Throw this up to about 7. There we go. Pretty simple. My neck does hurt. Like, I don't know why I woke up with a kink on my neck. But I'm going to throw 45s on there. Um, what's this? See how this feels? Try to go for 10 to 12. I'm actually going to try for 8 to 12, somewhere in there. Because I'm going to be doing 3 of these. I'm going to do 3 sets because I don't like doing just 2. I push this back. Need to put a screw in it. It's not too bad in here. It's a little later. It's like 9:20, 9:30. I don't know. Um, feels alright. Hit 2 more of these. Then I'm gonna jump into some uh dumbbell raises with dumbbells, and then lateral raises like this. And then I'll probably lateral raises like this. Then I'll chest down on the bench, lift, and then I'll jump into some pec decks or delt flies, delt pec, whatever. Enough talking. Let's pump this. I'm gonna lower the weight for the last bit. Feeling good tonight, actually. I mean, I felt good last night and the night before too, but no yawning in the gym. Let me get that right out. That was crazy. I did almost a straight yawn the whole thing to do. Yeah, I didn't have work today because I had some appointments I had to deal with, so that was alright. I was gonna hit the gym later, but it was like midday, all the stuff I needed to do, and the gym was starting to get hella packed. But let's push this real quick. I'm gonna get the smooth machine up. Alright, that's that on that machine. That's fucking wedgie, dude. Oh no. I think there's only one empty bench. And someone just stepped in it. Oh wait, there's one right there. Let's go see what this bench has to offer. I'm just gonna go straight into shoulder presses, not even fucking around. Let's start with 40s, then push up to 50s. We'll probably do one view from this side and then switch it over either to that side or to more of this side. I don't know yet. Get this stuff. 3, 2, pump 10 out. Last two are failures, so that don't matter. Gonna do 1 to 2 more of those. Do some raises. And then, yeah. Alright. I'm definitely feeling this. Like I said, my neck's kind of kinked because I slept on it wrong, but just kind of try and take it a little easy. Focus on form. And just push through it. Kind of. Honestly, need to sit this up a little more. Alright. Oh yeah. So good. Probably gonna hit one more of these. Yeah. Yeah, one. I think I'm gonna hit shrugs instead of. Feeling it definitely feels real good. Let's switch it around. Let's do one like that. And then I'm gonna switch weights and switch exercises over. I'm gonna go grab 20s real quick. See where this takes us. Oh fuck, I guess I can't. I need to see if people called me. I guess I'm gonna have to end the video and just cut it in. My brother needs to ride to work, but I think it's fine. I'm gonna stand up. Yeah, I'm gonna stand up. Oh damn, that feels good. The only reason I'm kind of hogging this thing is because I'm also gonna lay it low. Hit that too. I guess I'll hit it. Three-way split. That's too low, actually. Somewhere in there. Alright. See about this. Oh man, that feels good. I'm actually gonna stand and do these ones. I like standing hitting those better. And then I'm either gonna hit that one, duck, peck fly or delt fly, or I'm gonna jump on the shrugs, hit some just heavy shrugs real quick. Yeah, it's not too bad in here tonight. This fucking hoodie. Um, oh shit, I need to jump into these. Slacking. Sweat like a pig. Sweating like a pig. Hopefully this mic's doing good. Feeling this shit tonight. The shoulder day is pretty nice. The Smith barbell doing that and then hitting these. Nice. I'm really debating on hitting the tech fly or just drugs. Just think I'm gonna hit those. Um, Alright. Enough talking. Let's just hit it. I'm gonna hit one more of these, and that's it over here. Alright, let's go get a delt fly machine. Hopefully not too many people are on it. No one's on them. Both of them are open. Holy shit. Okay. We're gonna hit this. I stopped the video, damn it. Oh. I'm gonna go 70s, because I think that's about what I'd be doing. Definitely doing 100s. Dude, this fucking machine stinks. I'm tired of stinky ass machines. Literally, last 2 fucking nights I've been in here, dude. Both the goddamn machines I've used to stunk. Like, it gets kind of old. Fucking, I don't want to be able to smell a fucking other person as I'm lifting. Fucking stinky ass people, dude. Like, it's kind of old. I want my own fucking gym now. I've like always wanted my own gym, but let's pump this out. Nothing fucking break. Alright, enough of break. Alright, I'm gonna go hit one really heavy shrug, and that'll be it for the night. Then I gotta get home and fucking do shit still. It's bullshit, but it is what it is, I guess. Just gonna hit this one real quick. Cop the new iPhone. You can see in my previous videos the 16. Because I had the 16 for a little bit. Nope. You know, that would have been a good workout. Fucking. $55 on each side. and go to failure. Yep. I am honestly just talking to myself. Really, in reality, and people can't see this mic as well, so just go for it. Alright, that's that. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, that was that. That felt alright. Probably gonna end this, get out of here. I'll video on the car really quick, but edit it tomorrow, post another one, or make another one tomorrow and post it. Alright, have a good night. I guess I'll see you in the car here in a minute. Alright, that was that. Got in there, pumped it out, shoulder day, added some new things to the list, but that's alright. Still feel it, feel good. I'm gonna get out of here because it's late and I still have to drive around and get my brother to work. Tomorrow I'm going to hit Arm Day, and then I have Friday off, and then Friday I'm leaving for Yosemite, so yeah. We'll see. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna like it. Let's get some words of advice in. Setbacks teach us lessons that winning never will. So for instance, you have to have setbacks in your life in order to win. You have to fail, you have to go through heartache, you have to go through being miserable, you have to go through failing something you want to strive at and failing something you go for in this life. You have to be willing to have setbacks in this life to be able to progress, because failure means that you tried and means that you're willing to try, but keep coming back and trying after you fail, I guess. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna get out of here and I'll get back at it tomorrow. Stay hard, people. Stay in the gym. God bless everybody that watches these videos. Everybody in this world, God bless. And yeah, strive for the best person you can be. Strive for greatness. Don't ever stop. Don't ever listen to people that try to bring you down. Don't let them. Stay hard, people. Have a good night. God bless.